Hey there, this is John Barton from JB Cases. So this is going to be our weekly showcase for the week of April 13th. So let me get undressed and get comfortable here. Get this rocking. Apparently Loki's still with us. Didn't run away yet. Okay. This is a 3x6. Black and burnt orange with backpack straps. Very pretty. With a burnt orange interior. Very nice. Okay, this one here is a tweed hybrid that has a tweed pocket in the front, combined with camel or kind of a tan color on the side of the pockets. Natural color zipper pulls. Says Austin Price right there. Looks really cool. And this one has a tan interior. And the customer ordered a couple spacers that'll go in there to accommodate his shorter handles. Alright, moving on here. I have an army green and gray 4x8 with backpack straps with gray zipper pulls and gray stitching. I don't think I've seen that color combination before. It's kind of cool. Alright. And a blue interior. Customer's probably pissed off now because I said it was kind of cool instead of cool. Alright. The one thing I like about what we do is I don't have to like everything that the customers make, because the whole point of choice is to choose what you like, right? Doesn't have to be what I like. My grandpa used to say, or somebody used to say, I always say my grandpa said it. I don't know if my grandpa really said it or not, but somebody said it, and it sounds like something a grandpa would say. There's an ass for every seat. So we're in the business of making seats. You're in the business of designing them. So anyway, this is a.
You're not going to say you're the one beating the ass.
you're the ass that's got to sit in it. So, all right, this one here is for Dean. This is a black and white, black with white stitching, white zipper pulls, 2x5, 3x4. And there's the interior. Now I want to remind you guys of something. There's a lot of cases out there that have interiors that look like ours, and they go to great lengths to make sure that this part of the case, the part that you see, the only part that you can touch or feel on the inside, looks like ours. But the problem is they rob you. They literally freaking rob you of the protection that's promised by looking at that once you get below the part where you can feel it. We are the only company, the only one. We are the only one that has this type of interior, which we created, by the way, that is fully removable so you can see it from top to bottom. And you can feel it and understand that we provide the security all the way down. So don't be fooled. There's a lot of cases out there that have pretty designs and they have interiors that look like ours, but you can't remove the interior. And usually what I find out when I take the case apart is the interior is inadequate because they don't want to do the amount of work that it takes to make the interior proper all the way to the bottom. They want to do just enough to make you think it looks like ours, and then they take it away after about 4 or 5 inches where you can't reach in there and feel it, and you just don't know. So you don't know how dangerous it is for your cues, and it's actually more dangerous for your cues when they emulate what we do here, and then down here it's just unpadded or very little padding, and basically it makes it where the cues are like a clothespin and they can clack together even more because at the top it acts like a fulcrum. That's not what we do. Ours is padded all the way down. We have double padding here. We have double padding down at the bottom, so it's held in suspension very nicely, kept away from the other parts. So, you know, trust me when I tell you that there's a lot of assholes out there that are getting their rocks off by filling up their bank accounts because they're able to save $5 or $10 a case on labor, by fooling you, by basically defrauding you, and you're never going to know it. And you can only be lucky, you know, possibly your cues will never be damaged. But if they do, you're never going to suspect the case did it because you can't inspect the interior. So, you know, sometimes I feel like shit because I invented this interior and I see all these assholes out there fooling people by emulating what we look like here and then taking it away here. And I just, you know, I guess in some way, on some level, maybe it's better that there's some padding there than no padding at all. But it just irritates me and it pisses me off to see them doing that. Because, you know, I mean, if you're going to copy us, then copy the whole damn thing and make it right, you know? Make it right and don't fuck over your customers. That's my point of view on this. And I see so many of these assholes, and some of these guys are big name companies, you know? Some of them are big name brands. And in my mind, they're just fucking straight up larcenous, thieving assholes. Okay? When they do that. That's my opinion on it. All right? And I don't care what they think. I'm not beholden to them. They don't pay me. You know? I don't have to align with them. I don't have to eat their shit anymore. So I'll say what I want to say. And I can back up what I say because not only do I build this case and know every inch of it and know how it's made, I also take apart their shit and I know how their shit is made. So if anytime any of these assholes want to come at me with a lawyer or anything, bring it the fuck on. Because I would love to get these exhibits in the public record inside of a lawsuit so that I can easily prove on record how shitty their shit is and how, in my opinion, they are defrauding their customers. And by the way, I'm going to name two brands that I think, you know, you guys need to be aware of. Volturi, pretty cases, shitty interior. Looks like ours a little bit, not like ours. Holly, pretty cases, same manufacturer, same shitty interior. All right, I didn't even show that case. I got so irritated right there thinking about that shit. All right, this is a 4x8 black, pink, and white with white piping on here. Green accents. Pink stitching. Says Odin on there. And a green interior. Now I know I showed you that, but there you go. When I first made these cases, I called them the basic rugged cases, you know? And it was just because I wanted to have a fairly inexpensive case that was built super tough on the market for, you know, the people in that price bracket, that they wouldn't have to worry about whether they were getting a good case. And it's just grown into the custom shop that we are now. But it does infuriate me, you know, to see these guys knocking us off and not doing it right. You know, do it right. You know, that way I don't think about it. If I were my competitor and I were creating a case that were supposed to look like ours and make people feel like it protects like ours, then the last thing I would want to do is for me to be able to take it apart and expose how shitty it is, you know? I mean, for real, let's be real here. I would want myself to be able to take it apart and go, shit, they did a good job. But they don't, because they know they can defraud you, and so they do. All right, this is a 3x6, blue and yellow and baby blue with yellow zipper pulls, backpack straps, and a 3x6 interior. just pisses me off because the billiard industry really is literally a license to steal in that respect. There's no one out there that's protecting you, the consumer. No one. No one. No one. They just want to fuck you over. That's it. All these big companies and stuff like that out there, they just want to fuck you over. And in service to fucking you over, they want to fuck over the smaller companies too. Because people like me who create, people like me who invent things, all they want to do is take what we invent, make a cheap ass copy of it, make it look like what we do, and then know that customers are ignorant and are going to be easily fooled, and you're going to go out there and evangelize for this shit. Because what are you going to do? You're going to say, oh, well, my cue hasn't been damaged. It works fine. It works perfectly, right? So, fuck John Barton. He's just pissed off because of competition. He's just jealous. No, I'm not jealous, people. Not jealous at all. Copying is the way of the world. It's always been done, right? We are where we are as a civilization because of copying. What I'm mad about is the dishonesty. If you're going to copy, be a fucking honest copier and do a good job. So this is a black 2x5, 3x4 with a taller lid and a ball holder in the lid. And there you go. Looks great. Alright, I guess that's the end of my rant for right now. Okay, here's a black and red 3x6. This one has a cute picture of Bam Bam on there. Very cool. I had to explain to my wife what the Flintstones are. She's from China. She didn't know what the Flintstones were. I said, honey, this is a cartoon we watched when I was a kid, and it's the reason that a lot of people in our country think that dinosaurs and humans existed at the same time. I'm sure that there was a period in my life where I thought that too. Probably because of shows like that. All right, here's a black and red 3x6. Very pretty with a Philippine, looks like a Filipino flag on there. And it says there, Drayan, not sure. I always have a hard time reading the Gothic letters. And this one also has a ball holder in the lid, 3 butts and 6 shafts. Very pretty case. Very cool. Take a drink with the new drinking game where you have to take a drink every time I say cool. So said Don. All right, this is a 2x3. 2x3 green and burgundy and black. And got a pretty cool cartoon on there. Not sure which one. That one's probably after my generation, I think. I'm not sure which one that is.
That was much before us. That was from the 40s.
Oh, that's from the 40s even? Oh, okay, so it was before me. I know there's a lot of cartoons out there that I don't know now. Some that were before me and some that were after me. Also, I have a little bit of Rumpelstiltskin in me. Was it Rumpelstiltskin who was asleep for 20 years or something like that? And I was gone from the United States for a while, so a lot of the cultural stuff that a lot of the people now today have grown up with, I missed. So this is a 2x5/3x4 with a blue interior. There you go. And by the way, I want to mention that we're doing a good business replacing Predator interiors. So for those of you who like the purse style Urbane case, we can actually turn it into a protective case for you, so you get the big giant pocket purse that you like, and you get the protection of a JB case, or most of the protection of a JB case, not all of it, because I don't make a one-to-one interior for that, but our interiors can be adapted for it. So this is a very pretty tweed right here with backpack straps. All right, this one here is a 4x8 leather. This is veg tan leather also known as saddle leather. Take a look at how cool this looks. Look at this. With a blue, it's got a really striking kind of indigo blue thread on there, and then blue lacing on the back. It says Saddler on here.
Neat case.
Isn't that cool?
It really is.
Now check this out right here. This has got a little protector right here to keep it protected in transit, but right here, look at this before I open it up. Got a little Jesus fish right there on the latch. Isn't that cool? All right, let's open it up, and this is a 4-butt and 8-shaft case. Very cool. And then this is a matching. This is a matching chalk and joint protector holder, and that attaches with Velcro, so the customer will decide where he wants that to be, and then he'll put it in there. He or she, I don't know the customer's orientation, but there we go. So nice, huh?
That is.
Varperte. Okay, and what else? Was that it for that one? I think that's it for that. Let's see. And got this one. I think I showed that one last time. Oh. So I got these two here. These are for the Fairbanks League. This is the Fairbanks Pool Association. So you can see here, this is a very pretty blue with white stitching. All leather. How cool is that? Take a look at that. Drink.
Drink.
And that's laser engraved right there. And then we got one more here. And then this one. This is all black. Also veg tan leather. And this one is also for the Fairbanks Pool Association. So there you go. Very understated.
Really neat laser engraving. You guys did a good job on this.
Thank you. And that's it, folks. So just remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, jbcases.com will be happy to build it for you. And also, friends don't let friends buy knockoffs. I copied that, by the way. Modified it and made it better. See how that works? and don't be fooled by interiors that look like ours, but you can't tell what's really down there. Okay? So always remember, someone can make something look good for the part that you can see, and then they can straight up fuck you on the part you can't. Okay? So if you don't want to be straight up fucked without your consent, be real careful about what you buy. Have a nice day.